Building a $1,000 crypto portfolio as a beginner can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you jump into the wild world of cryptocurrency, take a moment to grasp the fundamentals. Get acquainted with blockchain tech, explore various cryptocurrencies, and understand how the market operates. Luckily, there's a treasure trove of newbie-friendly resources online, articles, videos, and courses galore. Cryptocurrency is basically the rockstar of finance, offering a thrilling and rewarding ride. Picture digital money, but with extra cool points. It's all decentralized, meaning no big-shot banks or governments pulling the strings. Start your crypto education with the basics: Bitcoin, the original gangster, and its buddies like Ethereum and Litecoin. Delve into the blockchain, the high-tech ledger securing all transactions. Keep an eye out for ICOs, initial coin offerings. They're like the startup scene of the crypto world. Just a heads up, the crypto ride can be a bit of a roller coaster, so fasten your seatbelt, stay in the loop, and who knows, you might catch the financial wave of glory. Step 2. Set clear goals. It's crucial to start your investment journey by clearly defining your goals. Take a moment to reflect on what you're aiming for. Are you in it for the quick wins, seeking short-term gains, or are you playing the long game, focused on sustained growth over an extended period? Your objectives serve as the guiding stars for your investment strategy, influencing the decisions you make along the way. If your goal is to capitalize on market fluctuations and make speedy profits, a short-term approach might involve active trading and closely monitoring market trends. On the flip side, if you're aiming for long-term financial growth, you might opt for a more patient strategy, perhaps diversifying your portfolio with stable, growth-oriented assets. By having a crystal-clear understanding of your investment goals, you empower yourself to make informed choices that align with your financial aspirations. Step 3. Choose a reliable exchange. Selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange is pivotal in navigating the dynamic world of digital assets. Well-known exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken have established themselves as reputable platforms with a track record of security and user satisfaction. Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface, is an excellent choice for beginners. Binance, on the other hand, offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features, catering to both novices and experienced traders. Kraken, recognized for its strong security measures, is ideal for those prioritizing the safety of their digital assets. Each of these exchanges has its strengths, so it's advisable to consider factors such as user interface, supported cryptocurrencies, fees, and security features when choosing the one that aligns best with your preferences and needs. Step 4. Create an account. A cryptocurrency account is a straightforward process. Here's a general guide. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Start by selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform. Some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Sign up. Visit the chosen exchange's website and click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Provide your email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms of service. Verify your identity. Most exchanges require identity verification to comply with regulations. You may need to upload a photo ID and complete other identity verification steps. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. This usually involves setting up an authentication app on your smartphone. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds to start trading. Exchanges typically accept deposits in fiat currency, like USD or EUR, or other cryptocurrencies. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the exchange interface. You'll find sections for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, viewing market charts, and managing your account. Start trading. If you're new to trading, start small. You can buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Specify the amount you want to buy and complete the transaction. Secure your wallet. Consider transferring your cryptocurrency to a private wallet for added security. Hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, are popular choices. Step 5. Budget your investment. When it comes to diving into the world of cryptocurrency, budgeting your investment is key. Treat it like any other financial decision. Set a clear budget that you can afford to invest without impacting your daily life. Cryptocurrency markets can be pretty unpredictable, so it's wise to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Stay informed about market trends, but don't get swayed by every up and down. Patience is your friend. Consider a long-term approach, and only invest what you're comfortable holding onto for a while. It's a bit like planting seeds and watching them grow over time. Remember, the crypto space can be exciting, but a well-thought-out budget will help you navigate it more smoothly. If any time during this short video, like more information on Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, click the link in the description. Step 6. Start with established cryptocurrencies. For beginners, it's wise to start with well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are considered more stable compared to newer, lesser-known coins. Step 7. Research and choose altcoins. Explore other cryptocurrencies, commonly referred to as altcoins. Look for projects with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and active development teams. Conduct thorough research before investing. Step 8. Practice risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly. Set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Step 9. Consider a hardware wallet. For enhanced security, consider storing your cryptocurrencies in a hardware wallet rather than keeping them on the exchange. This protects your assets from online threats. Step 10. Stay informed and adapt. Keep yourself updated on market trends, news, and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Be prepared to adapt your portfolio based on changing market conditions. Step 11. Monitor and review. Regularly check your portfolio's performance. Reevaluate your investment strategy if needed, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Step 12. Enjoy the learning journey. Cryptocurrency is a dynamic and evolving space. Embrace the learning process, stay patient, and don't be discouraged by temporary market downturns. Continuous learning will empower you to make informed decisions and navigate the crypto landscape effectively. Thanks for watching our short informational video. Would you like to begin your cryptocurrency journey? Leave a comment below. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Happy investing!